Hi there, welcome back from break. I just wanted to do a little overview on the rest of the semester. We are in the final stretch now. So these next 2 weeks you will have your final lessons which focus on analyzing quantitative data. So it'll teach you how to analyze survey data so that you'll know how to do that in case you do a survey for your primary research report, and just so you'll know that for the future as well. So I'll overview each of these 4 lessons that you will need to complete. This first lesson, measurement and quantitative research, gives you the background you need for understanding how you can analyze quantitative data. So it goes over levels of measurement and reliability and validity. You're going to need to understand those terms to complete the rest of the work. So the lessons for this week really do build on each other. This next lesson, quantitative data analysis, is a general lesson on different types of descriptive statistics, frequencies, means, modes, how they're calculated, what types of data they can be used for. So it's just that general understanding of that data. Then this third lesson explains how you can analyze data in Qualtrics. And I know this may seem a little overwhelming. There are several videos in here. I try to break it up into pieces. But really, once you get the hang of it, analyzing your data in Qualtrics is so much easier than many of the other ways that you would need to do it. So do take your time and go through these. It will directly walk you through what you need to do for the OP Surf Apparel survey study. So for the workshop you will be doing, it will explain exactly how to go through and analyze that data. And then this last lesson goes over how to then fill in the rest of that survey report. So your executive summary, the implications and recommendations. So it goes through the whole part of the report that you need to fill in and add in to the proposal that's been completed. So that completes all of the lessons for the material, and then all of that builds into preparing you to do the survey data analysis workshop, which you will do, which is due at the end of this week here. So this week there are no additional tutorials, but you will have to have completed all 4 of these lessons. And I would say these lessons are going to take you probably about 4 hours, and then you'll need more time for this survey data analysis workshop. So I know that seems like a lot, but when you spread it over 2 weeks for the senior level class, that's I think a pretty standard expectation. But those are the last lessons you're going to have. Then the following weeks are simply doing your primary study. So once you complete your data analysis, then this week of April 21st, as a team, you will need to decide on what primary research report you want to do. So you can be thinking about that already. I will be giving you feedback on both your survey and your interview workshop. So you should have all of that way before then. So as a team, you can start deciding, do we want to do an interview? Do we want to do a survey? And maybe use one of your teammates' proposals and their discussion guide or survey as kind of your starting point, and make some revisions so that you're ready to go. So this week you should have that finalized, if not sooner. Then by the end of this week, you will want to get all of that data collected. And then this week, you will be writing up that report. Now, you will each be writing up your own version of the final report, and so that will be put together as a workshop where you will get to evaluate each other's write-up, but you will be doing that, you will be each writing up your own separate report for the data that you have collected as a team. And then the last week will be dedicated to putting together your pitch. So I'll be providing you a little bit more information as we go, and there will be one more quiz for the quantitative research that'll be added in there as well. So let me know of any questions that you have. I will absolutely be expecting them. I know some of this is challenging work, so just let me know when you get stuck, and I hope to talk with you soon.